Good morning, children. How are you all? I know you must be coping up very well now. During this lockdown period, your parents must be working from home. Their work has increased multifold. And I'm sure you all must be contributing in some way or the other. Today, in your book, there is a story about this little girl, Simran. She is also helping out her father in lifting the things from the storeroom to the kitchen. And she wants to see how much can she carry. So come children, let us read the book and find out.
Okay, now let us read how much can Simran carry. Simran's father needs to move some things from the store of their house to the kitchen. Simran wants to help her father. See children, this is their store. Can you see the store? This is the store. They store things here. See, they have stored 2 kilogram sugar, 1 kg salt, 2 kg dal, 1 kg ghee, 2 kg cooking oil, 5 kg atta, 5 kg rice, and see, her father is lifting a big drum. And she is a little girl, so she is picking small things. Okay, let us read further. Guess which bags Simran can carry. Okay, children, Simran is almost as old as you are. So, you have to think whatever you can carry, same bags Simran can carry. And whatever your father can carry, same weight her father can carry. And whatever your mom can carry, similar weight her mom can carry. And she has a younger sister also. Can you see the younger sister in the picture? See, this is her younger sister. So you also have to guess how much weight this younger sister can carry. Okay. Guess which bags Simran can carry. You have to guess the out of the bags which we have seen just now. You have to tell which all Simran can carry. Guess who can carry what. You have to guess her father. How much her father can carry, which all things her father can carry, which all things her mother can carry, and which all things her younger sister can carry. Okay? Can Simran carry any two of these bags together? So out of the bags which are lying in the storeroom, you have to tell whether Simran can carry any two of the bags simultaneously together. If yes, which ones? Which bags can you carry? Guess. Now you have to guess, children, out of these bags, which all bags you can carry. So you have to do this yourself. Okay, now we can see this ant. I'm sure in your house, at some point or the other, you must have seen ants. And have you seen, children? Ants are so disciplined. When so many ants are there and they are going towards one particular thing, you will see that they always move in a straight line. They move in a queue. They never break the queue. Now this ant is saying, I can carry a grain of sugar bigger than myself. I'm sure you must have seen this at some point of time or the other when an ant is carrying a grain of sugar or a bit of cake which has fallen on the ground or something like this, and she's dragging it with her mouth. I'm sure all of you must have seen it. Now there is another activity in the book which says, Match the picture of the animal with the thing it can carry. So now what you have to do is, out of these animals, I'm sure you can make out the first picture is that of a crow. The second picture is that of an elephant. The third picture is of a donkey. And the last picture is of a puppy or a dog. It looks like a puppy. Okay. And you have to match them with these pictures. Now, this is a picture of a ball. This is a picture of a sugar bag. These are 1, 2, 3, 4. These are 4 logs of a tree. And this is a tiny leaf. Now, children, you have to think. The crow. Out of all these things, what crow can carry? Have you ever seen a crow carrying a ball or a sugar bag or logs? No, never. When a crow has to lay eggs, it makes a nest. And when it makes a nest, it will carry dry leaves, small twigs, and many other things. So, the crow will carry the leaf. Okay, children? Okay. Now let us move to the next picture. Elephant. Have you ever seen in any video or any National Geographic video that an elephant is carrying a ball? No, never. Have you seen him carrying a bag of sugar? No. What will elephant carry then? A leaf? No. An elephant will carry logs. I'm sure you must have seen this somewhere or the other, that elephants were used by the tribal people to carry logs from one place to another. These logs are very, very heavy because they are the stems of big trees. So they are very heavy. Out of all these pictures which have been shown, all these animals, no one can carry logs. Only the elephants are strong. They can carry logs. Okay. Now let us come to the next. Donkey. What will donkey carry? Sugar or ball? Yes. Donkey will carry a bag of sugar. You remember in our story also, the donkey had carried a bag of salt. Now, this bag of sugar can be easily carried by the donkey. And so many of you have a pet dog or a pet puppy. Yes or no? Yes. And those who don't have, I'm sure they have seen their friends throwing a ball, and the friend's pet, whether it is a dog or a puppy, they go and fetch the ball. Yes or no? Yay. So the ball can be carried by this puppy in his mouth. This puppy cannot carry either the sugar bag or the logs, or this leaf is too tiny for the puppy to have any interest in the leaf. So we have generally seen that the pups, they run after the balls. They enjoy catching the balls. So children, I hope you enjoyed reading the book. I request all of you, you must read the whole chapter once again aloud, so that if there is some mistake you are making, your parents can correct you. Thank you and have a nice day.